How to change Truecaller homepage to calls on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change it to calls on Android or iOS phone. First, just make sure your Truecaller is updated, and then let's move to the next step. Go to Truecaller and click on your profile here, and here we'll find your profile. Click the settings icon. Now click general and then select calls, and that's it. Now just go back, it will be saved, and just go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.